to the office, about to catch the train. So get your steps in. This is your reminder. Once you see this, at least try and walk for 10 minutes.
Whoever said you guys weren't the most beautiful?
Oh, take it. Thank you too. Yes, for sure. Okay, so I'm over here in the bathroom at work trying to just define the curls. Don't know if you can see it. Hope you can. But I just got this one last section left. All I'm doing is adding water and adding some matrix. Outfit check. So this is what I'm wearing to the Broadway show. It's a bit wide leg. These are actually my newest find boots.